What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over another stock market challenge update. This is the third update on my channel. And if you guys haven't been paying attention on my channel, or if this is the first video that you're watching, I'm doing a stock market challenge where my goal is to turn $500 into $2,000 plus by summertime. So I've taken positions in DGAS and I've sold. I made about $130 profit on that particular position, and you can see that's how much cash, that's how much money I have right now in my account. And I just actually invested into UGAS, right? This is one of the stocks that I've been watching very, very closely. And if you guys watched my top stocks I'm watching in the third week of February, this is the number one stock on that list that I'm currently watching and looking to trade. So I took a position with $630 or $620 was the order, and I think I have about 10 or 11 shares in UGAS right now. And I just wanted to update you guys and tell you what I'm doing with this particular trade and what my plan is with this particular trade. So I got in at about $55.30 roughly this morning, right? I waited. It spiked up to 56.22. We saw a sell-off right around here, and we saw a break above the EMA on the one-day chart, and that's where I decided to buy in, right? 55.30, and I got in right around there. Like I said, 10 or 11 shares, and my particular plan with UGAS, right? Let's go back to the 180-day chart. For those of you guys that are new, this is actually a natural gas-based ETF. So whenever natural gas does poorly, UGAS does poorly. And whenever natural gas does well, UGAS does well. And if we look at natural gas really quickly, we see that it actually hit one-year lows at about $2.53, and now it's starting that uptrend. It's already broke above the EMA line, which is a very good confirming sign of an uptrend, right? So I set a limit order at $75, right? And from $55 to $75, right? That's a 25% potential for profit with UGAS. And if we look at the potential for loss, and my stop loss is at about $54. $54. We go down. 1.7% potential for loss. So that's 1.7% potential for loss compared to a 25% potential for profit. So looking at that, it's pretty obvious that that's a good stock, a good trade to get involved with. So this is what I'm doing right now, guys, with the stock market challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I usually make these videos on Friday, but I actually just didn't take a position with my money until today, guys. I was being patient. I was waiting for the opportunity, right? And I took it. So I took the position today, and I figured I'd make the video and update you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment, follow me on Instagram at Stas_Surfest_entrepreneurship. Link should be down below in the description. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.